Let's talk accessibility with Purple Tuesday Ambassador and Diversity and Inclusion Officer Sarah Stacey.
I'm Sarah Stacey. I have muscular dystrophy, which I've had all my life. I've only been a wheelchair user for about the last 4 or 5 years, and I work as a diversity and inclusion officer.
What does being a Purple Tuesday Ambassador mean to you?
To me, it's making sure that everybody who has a disability is able to access things and work to make places more accessible for everyone.
What are some day-to-day accessibility barriers you experience?
Some of the things are doors. I can't open heavy door or manual doors, so automatic doors are so much easier because if you have to look for people going past, you might be able to help you. So yesterday I was trying to go into the post office and they've actually got automatic doors, but they were broken and they'd only opened them wide enough for someone walking through. So I had to wait and get someone to manually push the doors open so I could actually fit in.
Are there any common workarounds you use to navigate these spaces?
I usually go out with someone, or if I'm meeting someone, meet them outside so that when we meet, they can open the door for me, looking for passers-by. Or some people have a doorbell you can ring to get someone's attention to open it for you.
Is there anywhere you find particularly accessible?
Places like Boots in town, they've got a button on their door that will automatically open, which makes it so much easier. So I can get in and out on my own. I think it's making sure that there are people to help you on normal tills rather than self-service, because they're really not accessible for me, and it's hard looking around for someone to help you. Places like Primark, they're much more accessible now, and have accessible tills that you can go to, which are lower down. And I'm finding that in a lot of places they are having lower tills and also the pay units that can be unclipped, so it's easy to access and pay.
What is your advice to allies and business owners to be more inclusive?
Making sure that ramps are kept clear and they're not blocked so that you can access them. I think it's really think more about accessibility, and think about if a wheelchair or even someone with a pushchair can get around and access services. Once you find somewhere and it's accessible, you'll keep going back. It can be a really cheap change that they can make. It is those little things. And it's that thing with purple pound, isn't it? If you tell other people how good it is, they'll get more people going and more likely repeat visitors. We're always going to Hyde Hall and Call of the Wild too, because of how accessible they are. You think, well, why go anywhere else when you know you haven't got to worry?